Skill Squad, tired of soggy sandwiches? Let's fix that. In just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Build your base. Start with something that actually fills you up. I'm talking a sandwich on whole grain bread, a pasta or rice bowl, or even a wrap stuffed with turkey and cheese. The secret? Make sure it has both protein and carbs. That way, you're not stuck watching the clock for the next snack. Step 2. Add some color. That means at least 1 fruit or veggie. Grab some apple slices, baby carrots, grapes, or cherry tomatoes. It's best if it's washed and bite-sized. You'll actually want to eat it. Step 3, my favorite part, the smart snack or treat. Toss in a granola bar, a yogurt, trail mix, or maybe even a square of dark chocolate. The key? Pick something you actually like. Lunch should feel like a win, not a chore. Now let's talk pro tips. Keep a reusable ice pack in your lunch bag so nothing gets all weird by noon. Prep 2 or 3 lunches ahead so you can just grab and go. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And if you can, use containers with sections. Nobody wants their carrots tasting like yogurt. One last bonus move. Slide in a little note to yourself. A pep talk or an inside joke. You've got this. So, are you ready to pack your lunch like a pro? Hit like and share if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more life skills.